In this video, I'll show you how to stop Starlink subscription. So it's very easy. All you need to do, just go and open your browser and go to starlink.com. Whether you're on phone or PC, both works. So once you go there, you can click on the three lines at the top right and make sure to go and click on sign in to sign in into your account. You'll not be able to disable the subscription if you are not able to sign in. So make sure that you sign in into your account. So once you sign in into your account, you can go back as example to the three dots at the top right, and you should find subscriptions or service plan. So for me, I have get started because I haven't bought any service plan yet. But for you, you will find manage your subscription, and all you need to do just go and click on it, and you will be able to see cancel service, pause service, or standby mode. But of course, like standing by or pause mode are available only for roam. For residential, you only have the cancel option. You don't have the pause option. So once you choose to cancel as an example, you'll have to choose a reason as example. It's just optional, and you'll have to confirm your cancellation. And of course, the service usually continues until the end of the billing cycle. So as example, if you pay at or if you pay that the first time at the first of the month, so until the first of the next month, you will be able to get access to the Wi-Fi of Starlink. And then once the cycle of billing came and you canceled, then it's going to be stopped and you'll not be able to use it anymore. Of course, you can reactivate it later always by going and sign into your account, go into your subscriptions and pay again for the subscription, and you will be good to start using it again. And keep in mind that if you cancel, even as example, the second day after using it, you will not get a refund as example of your month. And if you want just to pause your subscription, normally it's not available on residential, it's only available in roam option. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.